Hey traders, welcome to Trade for Rent. In this video, we'll dive into smart money concepts and ICT strategies, focusing on how institutional players move the market and how you can read market structure more effectively. Before we begin, I want to emphasize that understanding the psychology behind market moves is crucial for long-term success. My goal is to educate you on market psychology, liquidity grabs, and high probability setups, helping you build a better trading mindset. Remember, this content is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Let's jump into charts. Hi everyone, so as you can notice here, the market has started. It was 9:42 and it was CPI day, which is a very volatile day, during which I'm extremely careful with my trades and basically how I approach the whole market. Here, as we can notice, these relative equal highs on 1 minute time frame were taken, and I was already looking for a fair value gap in form of a CB. Bear in mind that all the time I'm looking also for market structure change, order blocks, basically all ICT strategies that you can find online. You can find on his YouTube channel and so forth. This is something that I truly encourage you to study. What I'm doing right now is just basically trying to further educate myself and other people who are watching, highlighting my trades and basically how I'm using the ICT strategies in my favor every day. Here, as you can notice, I was already placing an order limit and my intention was to attack these relative equal lows here. But the main idea for today was to be bearish. However, I'm trading funded accounts. I have to maintain consistency in order to receive payouts. So usually I don't profit more than $1,000, which is already a lot if you're just aiming for the meat on the bone, so to speak. If you're trying just to make a living, if you're just trying to take care of yourself and not trying to gamble, I believe that this is the best way for you to approach. My main profit target is approximately 30 handles, which is $600. However, in high volatile days like CPI, I can take 1K if I am on the right side of the move in the market. Here, as you can notice, I placed the limit order. My buy stop is about the candle of the CB, and my profit target would be approximately 50 candles. All these relatively equal lows that you can see here. As I mentioned before, my whole idea was to be bearish because of the week that we're trading in and to be done for the day in a few minutes. I like this type of trades that are extremely fast. The entry is extremely obvious. Usually I annotate them, but the market was moving very fast, therefore I had to act. And I was already trying to understand if I'm on the right side of the move, but usually when you see yourself that you have already like 20 handles profits, it means that the trade is going to pan out most of the time. Here, this is something that it happened, and I'm just going to zoom in a bit so we can have a better understanding of the market structure. So we have relative equal highs, purged, fair value gap in form of a CB, and structure market shift or change. Basically, a low has been taken. We have traded back into this fair value gap, and the intention is to move lower. Bear in mind, this is a very small profit target. We could have aimed for the 8:30 open or for the relative equal lows that were formed basically after the London session, after 5 a.m. But I'm here for the long run. This is not a sprint, this is a marathon. You have to trade every day and you have to be extremely conservative and careful. Being greedy in this game is not going to take longer. So basically, as long as you are extremely conservative, as long as you wait for the setup to come into your favor, you wait for the fair value gaps, you wait for the market change, everything is going to pan out in your favor. This can happen every day. The silver bullet is present every day in the markets. This is something that you should study. You should go on the charts. You should check basically the 1 minute time frame every day from 9:45 to 11 a.m. And this is something that I'm going to present to you, and basically this is going to be the only strategies that I'm going to be applying, and I'm going to post it on the YouTube channel. Obviously, if I'm going to have some PM sessions that are profitable, or you can see some losses, basically highlighting the low probability the PM session provides, I will post some videos about that as well. But I think this is fairly easy for everyone to understand. I'm going to start the series basically highlighting the strategy at work. But if you found value in this breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe, comment your biggest takeaway below. Remember, this is for educational purposes only, and the goal is to help you understand market structure and smart money concepts, not provide financial advice. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next session.